Hey guys, welcome back to this little corner of YouTube, like my little corner. Today we are at the beach and it's looking absolutely pretty. This is my first time coming alone to the beach, surprisingly, in Dubai, which is insane. But it's also insane for me to come here for the first time because I'm a bit of an introvert and I don't really go alone in public, even though I really want to. But I'm just scared of going to public places alone. So I guess 2025 is a year of getting out of your comfort zone and doing the most uncomfortable and difficult things. So yeah, I guess we're gonna sit and enjoy some alone time at the beach, read a book maybe. I've got some amazing coffee from Moy, which is like really good. This is my setup right now because I don't have anything and I forgot my tripod at home. But we will look at all the birds. It looks absolutely insane. This year, I think I'm gonna try to do things alone. I know it's really daunting because for me, like I will think that how it's gonna feel like if I do this alone or do that alone, and when it actually comes for me to action it, I do not do that, and I freeze physically. So I think this was like really good. Probably this is like my fifth or fourth try of me actually talking to myself on the camera. But if you don't try, you'll never know what could have happened or what could have been. I think I'm gonna post this even if no one sees it because I'm just getting over my fear of talking to myself in public as well. Like, look, oh my god, I'm talking in public and there's no one here. So, like, this looks so nice. Oh my god, this looks so good. What I've got right now, and this is the beach, and we're gonna go for a dip. My feet in the beach, in the water. Freezing right now, but if you're not gonna do it, then what's the point? The sunset looks absolutely stunning. I mean, you can't really see it that well through the camera, as you can see, like the colors are so pretty. And I can see that there are some people who are swimming and it's so freaking cold. The water is so cold.